Hi, my name is Carmi. I am a pole acrobat, also known as an aerial acrobat, and today I'll be doing some antenna acrobatics. I have been dancing for more than 32 years, and in the aerial world I've been up in the air dancing for around 12 years. I've also represented South Africa in more than about 4 countries, been to Poland, Germany, America, as well as France, representing any type of dancing, any style. I love dancing, I love being creative. Today is quite a challenge. I'm looking forward to doing some strength moves as well as flexibility on an antenna. What makes this one special is this is an antenna made to go out on the seas. You can put it on boats, you can put it on yachts, and today I'll prove to you that the antenna is so strong you can have somebody dance on it. So have fun and enjoy the journey.